Welcome back to Copperhead Kustoms, and today what we're going to do is we're going to work on our 48 $2,000 Hot Wheels Legends Tour budget build. And what we're going to do today is we're going to take a bit of a look back at when we first picked this up from the farm, so you can actually see what this used to look like when we first got it. I think you'll be quite jaw dropped at how bad this thing was. So with all that said, let's get into it. What are we doing? In the lounge at 4 o'clock in the freaking morning. What do we look? That's why they're looking stupid, because they go, what the freak, we're only in bed. That's right, we're on a road trip. So let's get going. So we've had a bit of a delay. We got 3 hours to go. We got 45 minutes in and I forgot my wallet. Yeah, smart ass. Right, there's Derek. And there's Captain Rat's in his cat kennel. He's got a cat. There's Derek. Anyway, we'll get going. We've got our breakfast. We're off. There you go. Look at that. We've obviously made it. We're in the middle of absolutely nowhere. Oh, here comes old mate. Alright, now we're back. We were just speaking to the old owner there. You might have seen him anyway. He was just explaining some stuff. So this is it. What do you reckon? So this is where it is. It's in the middle of a paddock that's been very wet. So anyway, we've been trying to get this for a couple of months. This was advertised and I sort of half had it, and then it had disappeared. I couldn't find it, and then we had the floods because we couldn't get to it because it was too wet. The paddock's too wet. So then we got the floods, so then it all got put back. The ad disappeared. We've since found the ad again, and I'm just looking because there could be snakes. So I'm a bit scared of snakes, as you probably freaking know. Anyway, so we got back on when the ad come back on. We found him again, and we got hold of him, and it's all good. So we've been waiting for probably 6 weeks now to get here, to get it. And well, today's the day. So there you are. We'll go have a walk around in a second. I just thought I'd show you. It's quite a pretty little place he's got here. We're in the middle, Torrington. I think we're called Torrington, which is I don't know, 5 hours or something from Brisbane. We're in New South Wales, sort of in the middle of nowhere. Pretty cool. Pretty cool indeed. I know what that is up there. And I found this. So I see, I might take that home, I reckon. Stick that up in our little sheep skull. We might stick that up in our little man cave. Here we are. So what do we got in here? We got some record patina. Morris Contractors. Written on there. We've got an original wooden running board. How cool. We've got pieces of the whoop whoop, which is the old school indicator. Now you said be careful for the slithery suckers. So we've got no window in there, but we've got the little quarter one, which is the hard one. Inside, look at this, it's wicked. We've got all the brake stuff, we've got the handbrake stuff, steering wheel, all the pedals, like, it's actually pretty cool. All the steering up to here, we've got all that. It's actually got a motor, carby, no windscreens, we've got another window winder set. No radiator, but we've got the nose, which is pretty ratty. But remember, I've got another one of these noses, but not in beautiful green. It's looking pretty cool so far. It's got an original fuel tank. That looks like a spare winder motor. We've got some stuff lying around here. We're going to have to be very careful when we get it. And we're going to have to get some of this stuff out. There's a headlight. There is a bonnet. I can't find the sides for the bonnet, but there's the bonnet top. Now, it looks ratty. Chassis, full chassis, all the way to the back. So we don't know what else is around here. We've got to be very careful, like I said, because there could be snakities. And we do not like snakities. Rust-wise, we've got a little hole in the back there. The rest of it looks pretty good. We've got a dent in the side, but we like these dents. We've got a dent in the back, we'll give that a kick. We've got a little split around the window. A couple little bullet holes, which we'll probably patch on the inside and leave the bullet holes, because they look pretty cool. Oh, I so hope there's no snakes in here, I tell you. I hate snakes. Anyway, we're a bit roachy. But it's good, we like it. Original motor, don't know, she would have had a bit of water go down there. But anyway, enough dribbling, talking malarkey. There it is. Woohoo! Stubby nose. Should we do a little dance? Yeah, that's what I reckon. Alright. We're back. Yes. So, you would have seen I got one side on. You can see in there. Yeah, so we're all strapped up. What have we seen? What have we seen? Yeah, so there we go. We're all strapped up. It's off the jack on this side. Oh, I cut the bottom axle out. A couple of U-bolts, so that doesn't matter. And I had to cut that. What is that? That's the steering arm, yeah? I had to cut the steering arm there, because I couldn't bang it off. Obviously they tried because there was no nut on it. Can we see in there or what? Yeah. Anyway, enough of that larky. You know, there's a little bit of carnage on this one, but hey, I love it. I don't know about you guys. I reckon these are just wicked. So anyway, we're nearly there. Woo. So I'm covered in mud. I wore my freaking $300 sneakers and I'm covered in mud, which is a bit on my behalf. And anyway, we'll strap that one up. We'll get the ramps out, put the trailer on tilt, get rid of all this crap, probably bring the car back a metre or so, and we'll set up the winch. So anyway, here's something for food for thought. Now it doesn't rain here. Oh, well, I don't exactly know, but I'd say at least a month, I'd say, since it's rained. Maybe 2. Since the floods, basically. I don't think it's rained really since the floods. Look at the water. Look at all the freaking water coming out of the joint. Hey? Hasn't rained here for ages. It's just ridiculous, isn't it? Look at this. Working in the swamp. So anyway, you wouldn't think it. Look where we are. I'll have a look around. It just doesn't make sense anyway. So whatever. Maybe there's a little spring up here. There's probably a spring in these rocks, eh? Spitting water out. That's what I reckon. Probably drink this if you find a good spot. done. We're all loaded. So everything's packed up, tied down. We've got the inox out, and we've inoxed this door. We haven't tried to open that one yet. We inoxed the other one. We've opened the other one. We've thrown all our bits and pieces inside it. It's pretty long, isn't it? It's definitely pretty long. So the plan now is we're going to reverse back a bit, hopefully not get bogged, and I think we're going to drive out. I think I'm going to go out there, and let's try to get out of here without getting bogged. It is pitch black. It is 7:15, so it's a big day. So that's all I'm doing. I'm going to go inside and have a shower up. So there it is. What do you think of that? Hey, it was in a bit of a state, and it was all cleanly shaven. That was a couple of years ago, yes. But this is where it is now. So we've turned that beat up looking thing. This is what we've turned it into, guys. So if you're new, you might want to go watch the whole series of this. There's 26 or so episodes showing it from that state that we got it to where we are now. Now we're very, very close to having this finished. Be finished in the next few weeks, month. And, well, so there won't be a lot of videos left on this, guys. But, you know, I just thought I'd quickly show you that because I seen it the other day. It popped up and I had a little look and was quite surprised at how bad it was and how much we've actually done to it. So, with all of that, there's a few videos on this happening. We got videos on our Austin is about to start, and we got videos on our Red Bedford underway. So there's lots happening. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.